How was it? Beautiful?
It was beautiful, nice, unforgettable, unbelievable, incredible.
Oh, kok cantik gak? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how the beautiful Kato Lampo Waterfall in Gianyar, Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the beautiful Kato Lampo Waterfall, just follow until the end of this video. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I'll show you how the beautiful Kato Lampo Waterfall in Gianyar, Bali. And our journey today start from the parking area of Waterfall Kato Lampo. Yeah, so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, at the front there is the main gate to go to Kato Lampo Waterfall. So let's follow our journey today in Kato Lampo Waterfall. Yeah, this is the main gate, and actually today I bring my customer from India at the front me. Yeah, they are Indian people and I draft for them today. But you still can have the pictures. Yes, just nearby waterfall, even you don't go to the water. Okay, now I start walking from parking area until to the waterfall. So let's see together how we like the trek from parking area until to the waterfall. Okay guys, make sure watch the video until the end if you want to know how to like the beautiful Kato Lampo Waterfall. When rainy season, I recommended you to give a call first to this area, because sometimes when the lot raining, it's hard to reach to the waterfall. Because to make photo you have to going down to the river at the front waterfall, and then you climbing up on the stone to make best photo down there. Yeah, at the front there is the ticket counter. Dah capek, Mek?
Capek.
Yang penting sehat dulu, sehat.
Sehat.
Yang penting nyampe berarti sehat berarti kan? Masak. Oh, kok cantik guys.
Ya, makasih.
Cantik guys. Rame Bu.
Rame.
Sehat memenya ini.
Ya, sehat memang.
Sehat memang ini. Sehat.
Bayu zaman Soeharto.
35.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the ticket counter. Okay guys, keep watching the video until the end if you want to know how the beautiful this area and enjoy the natural atmosphere from Kato Lampo Waterfall. And for Mark Fleming, thank you for your catch up last night on Instagram. Ayo. Ayo Memek, kuat Memek, kuat. Ayo kuat.
Dia. Ada sini.
Kolamnya rame. Before we go to the waterfall, let's see spring water in this area. Also looks so nature and so beautiful. And if you see the water of the river, it's not so clear because it just been raining. That's why it's not so clear. Yeah, you see this area? Looks so green, isn't it? And looks so beautiful. So what do you think about this area? It is so beautiful, isn't it? Can you see? And right there is a like swimming pool there. Nature swimming pool, so beautiful. Hot, hot. Not hot. As I show you, when big raining, sometimes it's flat in this area. So that's why you cannot cross to the river and make photo at the front Katolampo Waterfall. So just make sure, call first when the raining season before you come down to the Katolampo Waterfall. Halo.
One by one? Which one? One by one. One by one.
Yo, hello. Where do you come from? Holland. How was it? How was it? Good? Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Kato Lampo Waterfall. So what do you think? Just so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know how the beautiful Kato Lampo Waterfall. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.